Also, the virus from China. It's proving to be very hard to fight. It has mutated yet again. A new variant of the Wuhan virus is spreading in South Africa. Scientists are calling it the deadliest variant till date. The most horrific version, quote unquote, of the Wuhan virus. Such statements have triggered panic. This morning, almost every market in the world nosedived, from India to China to Japan. Stocks were in the red across the world. Countries are rushing into travel restrictions yet again. The UK, Germany, Italy, they've all banned flights from South Africa. Other countries are mulling such travel restrictions. Are these fears justified? Is this variant really the deadliest? Our next report has some answers.
2021 may be coming to an end. The pandemic isn't. The Delta variant is still spreading. It has infected most of Europe and America. Such is the state of affairs. That Germany has deployed its air force to airlift severely ill patients to hospitals. As if this wasn't enough, another variant has now been discovered. The most heavily mutated variant of the Wuhan virus so far. Where is it spreading? South Africa. What is it called? B11529. How deadly is it? In one word, very. Some scientists are describing it as horrific. Some others say it's the worst variant they've ever seen. In South Africa, the cases are limited to just one province, the province of Gauteng, the most populated province in the country, with the global financial hub Johannesburg as its capital. The South African health minister says this poses a very serious challenge for the country.
So it does present a major challenge in terms of further activities, social activities. We're hoping, amongst others, that we can have more social activities, but this is going to present a major challenge. Still have to be looked at.
The variant may no longer be just South Africa's problem. It has already breached borders. Cases have been detected in Botswana, also in Hong Kong, where health experts say that the variant may already be circulating globally.
The chances are that this virus has traveled to many other parts of the world, and maybe those other places haven't yet realized it or haven't yet recognized it.
Of course, the resumption of international travel is to blame. But so is the virality of this variant. It has more than 30 mutations in its spike protein, which is making it spread faster than previous variants. Scientists are worried that with so many mutations, this variant may even escape the immune response induced by vaccines.
Researchers are working to understand more about the mutations and what they potentially mean for how transmissible or virulent this variant is, and how they may impact our diagnostics, therapeutics, and vaccines.
The news has triggered panic. It has hammered the confidence of investors. There's a bloodbath in global markets. This morning, Japan's Nikkei slumped to its lowest level in a month. South Korea's shares ended at a 2-week low. Hong Kong's shares closed at their lowest in weeks. And in India, the Sensex slumped by 1,700 points. Its worst fall in 7 months. With markets in the red, countries across the world are rushing into travel restrictions. Germany has suspended all flights from South Africa.
This morning we decided that South Africa and some neighboring countries will be declared a variant zone in the short term.
The United Kingdom has suspended flights from at least 6 African countries.
Those countries are South Africa, Namibia, Lesotho, Eswatini, and Zimbabwe and Botswana.
And the European Union Commission is mulling a Europe-wide ban for all flights from South Africa.
The European Commission will propose, in close coordination with Member States, to activate the emergency brake to stop air travel from the Southern African region due to the variant of concern B11529.
India too has issued an advisory. All travelers from countries reporting the new variant will be put in the at-risk category. They will have their contacts traced and tested. Meanwhile, the World Health Organization has sprung into action as well. WHO experts will meet in Geneva over the weekend to decide if the new variant should be declared a variant of concern. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.